cash but don't know how to get started? Don't fret. We'll explain how you can start earning money online straight after watching this video. The Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System said in its May 2021 report on the economic well-being of U.S. households that more than over a quarter of Americans, 27%, received additional money via side jobs last year. Invested has compiled a list of 10 real methods to generate money quickly and easily online. Whether your goal is to become a six-figure social media influencer or just augment your current income, we've uncovered several opportunities that may help you do exactly that. Number 1. Look for freelancing jobs online. Make money online by using sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These websites provide possibilities to work as a freelancer in a range of fields, including writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and virtual assistant. Do you speak a second language? Check out sites like Gango or 1 Hour Translation, or create your own website. Keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you perform, no matter what sort of freelancing you do, so you know whether you're charging too much or too little. Number 2. Put websites and applications to the test. UserTesting.com is another place where you may earn money from home. You get compensated for your opinions on how successfully or how poorly particular websites and applications function. To be approved, you must pass a brief exam, and then you'll be paid $10 for each 20-minute test, which includes recording and answering 4 follow-up written questions. Alternatively, you might earn up to $120 by participating in a video discussion with a consumer after your test. Number 3. Find work on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Even in this day in technology, certain tasks still need a human touch. Companies often outsource these tasks to firms such as Amazon's Mechanical Turk. The tasks you'll be given as a worker might be time-consuming, identifying photographs, transcribing movies, categorizing receipts, and can take anything from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employers, also known as requesters, determine the fee for each activity and get final approval before paying you. That leaves potential for frauds, so do your homework. Number 4. Earn money by doing surveys. You may earn money from home by doing internet surveys, but don't expect to be rich. Survey sites often do not pay much, and many are more beneficial for earning gift cards than cash. Swagbucks and Survey Junkie are 2 prominent survey sites, as are the MTurk and Turker Nation subreddits, which may help you avoid shady merchants. These forums and other workers can answer questions and provide an accurate estimate of how much money you may anticipate to earn. In a matter of minutes, you may sign up for a site and begin doing surveys. The time it takes to be paid is determined on the survey site and the amount of effort you devote to doing surveys. Some sites let you pay out only once you reach a certain amount of money. For example, with Inbox Dollars, the barrier is $30 for first-time payments and $10 for subsequent payments. Other survey sites provide points that may be exchanged for cash through PayPal or gift cards. Number 5. Earn money as an affiliate from your blog. If you have a blog with a reasonable amount of traffic, you may earn money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates get compensated when someone clicks over from the website to the partner site and purchases anything. This is how some bloggers earn a lot of money. You must have a blog, social media account, or other online presence that receives a significant number of visits each month. Then you must apply to and be accepted by an affiliate marketing network such as CJ Affiliate, ShareASale, Flex Offers, or Amazon Associates. Payment dates and criteria vary for every affiliate network, but you can anticipate to wait at least a month or 2 before receiving your first salary. Earnings from Amazon Associates are paid out 60 days after the end of the calendar month in which they were earned. To get profits, you must have a balance of at least $10. If you made $50 or more the previous month, ShareASale will pay you on the 20th of each month. Number 6. Sell your products on Etsy. Do you like woodworking, jewelry making, needlework, or pottery? Sell your items on Etsy, the popular marketplace for craftspeople selling home products, art, and trinkets. According to the website, Etsy has around 82 million active shoppers and will make more than $10 billion in goods sales in 2020. Etsy store opening isn't simple. It takes hours. Preparing for opening takes longer. You need items, images, a store name, and a business strategy to thrive. After that, locate consumers. Depending on what you're selling, this might take weeks, so anticipate a sluggish job. Your Etsy payments account gets credited when you sell an item. Number 7. Earn money from advertising on your blog or YouTube channel. Convert your cat movies into money videos. If your YouTube videos or blog entries have a large following, you may be able to monetize them via advertising. Businesses pay Google AdSense to advertise around your content. The service is free, but you must satisfy certain restrictions. Signing up for Google AdSense is simple, but activating your account might take anywhere from a day to many weeks. You'll need to allow at least 2 months for ad money to begin to flow. You must earn at least $100 to be eligible for a reward. Number 8. Establish yourself as an Instagram influencer. Companies are utilizing Instagram influencers, individuals with huge devoted Instagram followings, to promote their goods. You may participate by applying for chances via a marketing platform such as Open Influence or Aspire IQ, or by contacting the businesses you wish to engage with. Making an Instagram account is simple, but gaining followers takes time. Allow a few months for your audience to become big enough to attract advertisements. Once you get the figures, you'll need to look for compensated work. You may accomplish this via affiliate networks or by pitching businesses with whom you wish to collaborate. Number 9. Make money from your Twitch channel. If you have a constant following on Twitch, the go-to site for players, gaming might be a method to generate money from home. If a broadcaster achieves affiliate or partner status, they may accept contributions from viewers and potentially split subscription and ad income. You may start broadcasting on Twitch in a day, but building a following can take weeks or months. Depending on the payment mechanism, donations may be withdrawn soon. As a Twitch partner or affiliate, you must have a $100 balance to request a payment. Number 10. Make money from your photographs. Turn your pictures into revenue by uploading them to sites like Fine Art America, where you can sell them as prints, t-shirts, phone covers, and more. SmugMug, 500px, and PhotoShelter are some more markets for photographers. Some websites demand a membership, but may provide features such as cloud storage, password-protected galleries, and a personalized website. So that's all we've had time for today. Thank you for watching another invested video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button to receive updates about our new releases.